If you want to understand how to communicate better, you have to find what I call the center of mass of the conversation. Imagine a group of 4 people talking where they're all spread out the same distance. This is called a sociopital grouping, and everybody can contribute equally to the conversation because the center of mass is in the middle of the discussion. But if the person on the bottom were to move down and to the left, the group instead becomes sociofugal. It's now harder for the top and right person to talk to the bottom, meaning that the center of mass of the conversation has shifted closer to the person on the left, giving them more authority. This is also why the head of the table is traditionally the most powerful. They're simply able to have more cross-table conversations since more people have to angle their bodies to face them. Meanwhile, the round table gives everybody an equal chance to contribute, so it's harder for a group leader to emerge. And this gets even more interesting when you consider that the design of a space can be engineered to either encourage or discourage sociopital conversation. In a standard classroom, for example, all the seats are pointed at the teacher, meaning that the center of the mass and the authority is on them. However, if the teacher wants to have more of a collaborative vibe versus a lecture vibe, they can move more of the seats to face each other. And both of these arrangements can be good for different public spaces depending on how much interaction you want to encourage between people, because it is true that sociopital furniture just predisposes us to have more conversations in the first place.